Labo! Labo! Wake up and come carry the movie. Go give me sermon. I can't bother with that woman, you know. I'm wait me up on bed for come carry movie. Go give. Sure. Can't bother, you know.
Go in.
Hurry up and do this and go back to sleep.
Man live so far, man. Alright, Labo, just walk. You're soon reach. Just there around the corner. Come boy, you're soon reach. You're soon reach. Miss Irma. Miss Irma.
Yes! Mommy said me forget the movie, yeah.
Come, you're soon reach back home. You're soon reach home. Finally. Uy.
Labo, before you sit down, come go shop for me.
Shut God. Boy. What the hell? At least we can see shop now. You have turkey now? Come, you're soon reach back home. You're soon reach home. Finally. Uy.
Labo,